Hello and welcome guys to my channel. This is my Macaw Scarlet and this is my kitten Bella. We're just chilling on the tree house, having a bit of sunbathe. Yeah. This is Bella, our kitten, and this is Scarlet, our Macaw. Just getting them both used to each other, seeing each other. I want Bella to see me stroking the parrot so she understands that this is our pet. Because even though we got her young, hoping that she would get along with all the animals, she's still got a lot of a temperament, she got a lot of a natural instinct. She chases all the birds, all of them. She chases all these, the pheasants, all of them. But this is one bird we don't want her to mess with. Also, when she grows up older, she can give a nasty bite to Bella. But it'd be nice if they both get along. That's what we're trying to do. Right now, she's out of the bath. Just letting her dry up a little bit, and the sun is just hitting us lovely here. So they're both enjoying it. Enjoying that? Good girl, Bella. See where Chico is. So we'll do soon. We'll introduce Chico there as well. Chico! There he is. They're all outside enjoying this nice, lovely sun. Wow, look at all that beautiful colour on this bird. It is absolutely stunning. And she loves having her head, her neck scratched. Bella, come here. We were meant to be introducing you. Good girl. Stay over here. What's the matter? You want a good scratch as well? You like a good scratch? She's a very playful cat. Hoya, 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 hoya. Give me five. Give me five. Oh, her teeth are almost the same size as Chico's teeth. She's grooming herself. So we're going to spend time with Scarlet. Stepping up? Want to step up today? Or are you just enjoying the sun? We just fed her. Look, can you see all that big bulge of food there? So we're going to be weaning her off soon now. Start eating veg, fruit, nuts. Show everybody a tail. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at her. She just sat on that mat there with all the sun on her, cleaning herself up. This is a park I built for the kids. If we were going to go down on a lockdown, they got somewhere to come and play. This is my little fan section by here. There's some guinea fowls in there, some chickens in there. You can't see up there, you got loads of pigeons, pheasants, parrots, just little animals. We've also got loads of rabbits as well. And over by there are the horse. Where's the horse? Probably got to the other side of the field. It's a lovely view here. On top of this apple tree where I've built this tree house. See that tree just coming straight through that wood and one up there. Ivy's taking a good grip. I wanted to fill all this up. Got myself a television in here as well. Just covered it because of the rain. Still got some more work to do, but it's amazing. Got a fireplace here as well, log burner, so we can all be chilling in this area. Bella, come here. Look at her, she's straight away gone onto the hunt mode. She's straight away gone onto the hunt mode, haven't you? Haven't you? Come on, I was going to introduce you. Come on, come on. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Good. See the tail's wagging. Come on. So hopefully, guys, when Scarlet learns to fly, she'll be able to fly all down this field, all down this back garden, land on this balcony up here. Well, that's my dream anyway. I'm hoping to achieve that. Fly around here, hang on the tree, hang with all the people. That'll be a dream come true. We can see if we can get to that girl. Stepping up. You can step up. Stepping up. I've noticed she got a different attitude when she's outside. Maybe she's a little bit scared of outside. There's too much thing happening outside here. So, I'm just going to spend some time with her outside here. Let her get used to the sound, the noise, the animals, the birds. They're all hiding underneath there. See the feathers, look at them, drying up lovely. Drying up lovely. Say hello. Say hello. Say, where's Chico? Where's Chico? What? Where's Chico? You wanna come? Come on. Come on. You wanna come? Oh, that's good. She's happy and content there. Yeah. Bella, come here. Look at all the apples all over there. Bella, look. She is just one playful cat. Scratch your head, so she... what are you doing? She's the Black Panther. You Black Panther? She loves that black mat. Oh, what's the matter? Come on, I told you you're going to come. Come on. Come on. Step up. That's my glove. I use this glove in the beginning because she's still young and still a bit wobbly. And when she claws to get herself nice and stable, it can hurt a little bit. So I'm just going to leave her with my glove. Look. She knows she's going to step up and down. There you go. I knew you can do it. Stand up properly. That's it. Stand up. Up. I know where you want to go. You want to go in your favourite tree. Go in your favourite tree then. Go on. Go on. Go on. So this tree came very handy for Scarlet. Good girl. You good girl. You clever girl, ain't you? You clever girl, ain't you? And what about you? You a clever girl as well? Come here, Bella. Come here, Bella. There you go. Let's put you on the tree as well, next to.
Majestic, compelling, ingenious, and extraordinary. Fascinating, physical, visceral.
Here's Chico just chilling there, and right on top of the tree we have Scarlet, our macaw. She's just watching a bit of wildlife.
While the remainder of cat species belong to the feline.
Hello, say hello, Scarlet, say hello.
It might be surprising.
Look at all the scrum marks on my hands, where she's been sitting on my hand. So, it's just on my tree house here.
As mentioned earlier, it all depends on whether the cat can roar or not. Some other examples from the Felinaceae subfamily are servals and bobcats.
What I want Scarlet to get used to this area up here. I want her to fly around all this area up here, sit on this balcony, fly around the garden, come to recalls. We watch some YouTube videos, so we will be trying to get Scarlet and train Scarlet to fly free. Also, I'm trying to get the cat used to the bird not to attack, and we're trying to get Scarlet used to all the noise.
In their throat.
Oh, you gorgeous. Look, she loves her. Let's turn a bit of volume down.
The shape of their vocal cords also
I could hear a guinea fowl. One of them I think maybe escaped, is it? There's the guinea fowls. There. There's my chickens. Some pigeons there. We've got some rabbits up here somewhere. Nice log fire here. So there's the cats there. Bird not scared of a cat. Here comes Mr. Yusuf, my son.
Hi.
Look what Scarlet is. And look where the cat is. They were both just playing. Also, Yusuf has got his own channel as well. He's doing a channel dedicated to Scarlet, the Macaw. So I'll put a link down below if you guys want to check it out. Really, really good. And give him some support on his channel. Oh, look at all the colour now. See, it's drying up from the... She's just had a bath. Oh, half an hour ago. And she's just drying up lovely. Let's see if we can get it to come to my hand. Come to my hand. You want to come? Do you want to come? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is one of the things she loves doing, and I love this about a bird. That you can really cuddle a bird. And look how calm she is. She's not even trying to get away or nothing. She really likes it. I know. Is that nice? Is that nice? Yes, yes, yes. When she makes animals, that means she's a little bit scared. Oh. And those claws, guys, they dig right in because where she's still young, she's still a bit on the floppy side.
And she still grips onto things.
So she grips a bit extra hard to make sure she don't fall. She's not stupid.
But honestly, guys, these are the best pets in the world. It's unreal.
Come on then. There you go. Ah, those claws, they really kills. Ooh.
Show your arm.
Let's see those claws. Look at the size of those claws. ½ inch long. Look at these
A
claws.
centimetre, innit?
Look how pretty you are. You're watching TV. So yeah guys, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you have any questions, put down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Where's Chico? I can hear Chico. Let's see. See where Chico is. You can hear his name being called out. You know you call his name out. Chico! Oh, hi! Here comes Eamon. Yes? They love coming up here, they're so excited. Come on then, Eamon.